Whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or packing for an extended journey, rolling duffel bags strike a practical balance between flexibility and mobility. They're easier to store than rigid suitcases, offer more space than backpacks, and the wheels make transport far less of a hassle. From rugged outdoor adventures to airport-bound business trips, these bags adapt to different travel styles with ease. In this video, we've narrowed it down to 6 solid rolling duffel bags for 2025, covering a range of budgets and use cases. Links to all products mentioned are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 6. Traveler's Club Upright Rolling Duffel Bag. The budget-friendly pick for casual travelers or students, the Traveler's Club Upright Rolling Duffel is often chosen for its no-nonsense functionality. It's especially popular among people who want something affordable and reliable for occasional use, whether that's weekend trips, gym visits, or school-related travel. This duffel follows an upright design, which means it pulls more like a suitcase than a traditional side-rolling duffel. It's made from lightweight polyester and collapses flat when empty, so storage is easy. The bag includes a telescopic handle for smooth rolling and inline skate wheels that glide reasonably well on flat surfaces. It's not trying to be flashy, just functional. When it comes to capacity, this bag punches above its price tag. Multiple zippered side pockets make organizing smaller items a breeze, and the roomy main compartment is large enough for a weekend's worth of clothes or sports gear. It comes in several sizes, from compact 22-inch versions to roomier 30-inch options, and it weighs around 4 to 5 pounds depending on the size you choose. That keeps it light enough to carry when rolling isn't ideal. Performance-wise, it's not meant for rugged environments or heavy-duty travel, but for casual trips by car or quick hops through airports and bus terminals, it holds up well. It's a solid grab-and-go solution that fits in overhead compartments and doesn't scream for attention. Drawbacks: the wheels aren't built for cobblestones or rough sidewalks, and the handle can feel a little wobbly when extended. Still, for the price, it's a sensible choice if you're looking for a basic rolling duffel that gets the job done. Number 5. Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels. A solid mid-range option, the Gonex Rolling Duffel is well-suited for adventure travelers and weekend warriors. It has a flexible shell that allows it to be packed efficiently, but it's sturdier and better reinforced than many soft-sided duffels in this price range. For those who need space and durability without the bulk of a hard-shell suitcase, this one fits the bill. The exterior is made of water-resistant PVC fabric that handles light rain or snow without soaking through. It also features tough zippers, reinforced corners, and a sturdy base panel to help protect your belongings. The handle is reinforced and extends smoothly, while the oversized rubber wheels offer a decent roll even on uneven ground or gravel paths. With a roomy 100-liter capacity, this bag can carry everything from ski gear to bulkier clothing. It folds down flat when not in use, which is useful for apartment dwellers or travelers who need to store gear between trips. Inside, you'll find mesh pockets to keep smaller items in place, along with compression straps to keep your load secure. There's also an ID slot and a couple of quick-access outer pockets, ideal for shoes, toiletries, or wet clothes. Performance-wise, it's a great choice for road trips, camping weekends, or as checked luggage for longer flights. It fits easily in car trunks and can handle irregularly shaped gear without issue. You won't get the stiffness or structure of a rigid suitcase, but you'll gain flexibility and lighter weight. That said, when underpacked, the soft sides can sag a little. And while it's durable, it's not meant to replace heavy-duty roller luggage. Still, it's a strong performer for the price and one of the more practical soft-shell options out there. Number 4. The North Face Basecamp Rolling Thunder. If you need a bag that can handle rough handling, bad weather, and heavy gear, the North Face Basecamp Rolling Thunder is built exactly for that. It's a durable travel solution designed with outdoor and international adventurers in mind, especially those who tend to pack for the long haul. The exterior is constructed from 1000D polyester with a TPE laminate, giving it impressive resistance to abrasion and moisture. A reinforced back panel adds structure, while the large wheels are built to handle uneven terrain. They're also designed to shed dirt and debris, useful for anyone going off the beaten path. The telescoping handle extends smoothly, and there are padded handles on the sides to make it easy to lift in and out of vehicles or storage racks. Corner bumpers add protection where bags tend to take the most hits. Available in 22-inch, 28-inch, and 36-inch sizes, the Basecamp Rolling Thunder is packed with useful features. Inside, you'll find mesh dividers to separate items, plus internal compression straps to keep your gear in place. There are external zipper compartments for smaller items and a secure ID window. Zippers are large, easy to grab with gloves, and compatible with most travel locks. This bag is ideal for long international trips or outdoor expeditions. It handles boots, jackets, equipment, and bulkier items with ease. It's stable when upright, even when heavily loaded, and stands on its own without tipping, an underrated convenience. The downsides, it's heavier than many others in its category, weighing between 10 and 13 pounds depending on size. It also comes at a higher price point. Still, for travelers who value reliability and resilience, this bag consistently proves its worth. Number 3. Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler XT. The Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler XT hits a rare sweet spot between size, durability, and smart design. It's especially popular among backpackers, climbers, and outdoor travelers who need a bag that can take a beating while still staying organized. Whether you're crossing cities or setting up camp miles off-grid, this duffel is built to follow. Made from water-resistant Bi-Tech Armor Light fabric, the exterior resists tears, moisture, and abrasion. Oversized treaded wheels are built to roll over gravel, dirt, and cracked pavement without issue. The telescoping handle extends cleanly, and what really sets this bag apart is its removable backpack straps, giving you the option to carry it hands-free when needed. Lockable zippers and exterior daisy chains add security and modularity, especially for attaching extra gear. Inside, you get a large, U-shaped opening protected by a storm flap, handy during unpredictable weather. There are internal mesh pockets for smaller items and compression straps to keep everything in place. It folds into its own compact stuffed sack when not in use, which is ideal for storage or shipping. Available in 90-liter or 120-liter capacities, it's well-suited for extended travel or equipment-heavy trips. This duffel performs well in airports, mountain lodges, or truck beds. It handles gear abuse like wet tents, climbing ropes, and bulkier clothing with ease. The side handles make it easier to lift and load when wheels aren't practical, like moving through crowded train stations or loading into rooftop carriers. Downsides, it lacks the rigid structure of a hard shell, so packing carefully is important. It's also priced on the higher end, but the versatility and build quality offer real value over time. For travelers needing function and flexibility, this one's a dependable choice. Number 2. Away the Outdoor Rolling Duffel. Blending modern styling with practical features, the Away Outdoor Rolling Duffel is designed for travelers who want good looks without giving up on function. It's geared toward longer trips, gear-heavy travel, or anyone who needs space and structure in a bag that doesn't scream technical. Constructed from durable, water-resistant recycled polyester, the bag holds up well against light weather and scuffs. The matte black hardware gives it a clean, minimal finish, while the aluminum handle with a rubberized grip feels solid and comfortable to pull. One standout feature is its smooth gliding 360-degree spinner wheels, which roll quietly and handle sidewalks, airport flooring, and curbs with ease. With an 85-liter capacity, it's large enough to carry clothing, shoes, and equipment for multi-day travel. Inside, you'll find separate compartments to isolate shoes or laundry. Great for keeping the clean from the used. Mesh organizers help with sorting smaller items, while compression flaps let you cinch down your contents and keep everything from shifting during transit. Despite its polished exterior, the bag works well for both city-based and nature-bound travel. It slides easily into car trunks and fits under most hostel or hotel beds. Whether you're heading to a remote lodge or catching a train through Europe, it has that rare combination of style and functionality. The trade-off: it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, and while it's durable, it's not built for deep off-road or mountain terrain like some others on this list. Still, for frequent travelers who want a refined but capable rolling duffel, this one nails it. Stylish, reliable, and thoughtfully designed, it's a smart pick for modern travel needs. Number 1. Patagonia Black Hole Wheel Duffel. The Patagonia Black Hole Wheel Duffel is built with one purpose in mind: dependable performance, trip after trip. Known for its long-term durability and eco-conscious materials, this bag has become a go-to choice for serious travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on build quality or function. Made from 100% recycled polyester ripstop with a TPU laminate, the bag is tough, weather-resistant, and simple to clean with a quick wipe-down. The exterior resists scuffs and light rain easily. Oversized wheels glide smoothly over uneven ground like gravel or cobblestone, and the reinforced base helps it maintain shape even when packed full. Sturdy haul handles on all sides make it easy to grab and lift, while compression straps inside and out help stabilize your load. It's available in multiple sizes: 40-liter for compact trips, 70-liter for standard travel, and 100-liter for long expeditions. The main compartment opens wide in a U-shape, making it easy to see and access everything inside. Mesh pockets under the lid offer a smart space for organizing smaller items, while the padded bottom helps protect gear from impact. Whether you're packing for a ski week, backcountry tour, or overseas work assignment, this bag performs across a wide range of travel scenarios. It rolls smoothly through airports but holds up just as well outdoors. Even when fully loaded, the zippers close easily, and it holds its shape without bulging. It's not the lightest bag when empty, and it does sit at the higher end of the price range. But for those who want one rolling duffel that can handle almost anything, from rough terrain to organized packing, it's tough to beat. Built to last and ready for wherever you're headed next. That covers our picks for the top 6 rolling duffel bags for 2025. Whether you're looking for something rugged for outdoor adventures, compact for weekend trips, or spacious enough for long hauls, there's an option here to match your travel style and budget. Each of these bags brings something different to the table: durability, flexibility, organization, or value. So it really comes down to what matters most to you. All product links are in the description below if you want to check current prices or specs. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more gear roundups.